लीजिए, एक मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड, नटेला, ग्रीन टी, ब्रोकली, वो ग्रीन कलर का होता है ना कॉलीफ्लावर, जुकीनी, एवोकाडो है, चेरी टमेटोज, पेने पास्ता, बेटी क्रॉकर का पैनकेक मिक्स, बेटी क्रॉकर, मोज़रेला चीज, अनस्वीटेंड आमंड मिल्क, कोक जीरो, पिज्जा बेस चाहिए, व्हीट वाला है क्या? और ट्रॉपिकाना 100% ऑरेंज जूस, 100% ना, लेकिन वो पल्प होना चाहिए। हाँ, एपिगामा का ब्लूबेरी योगर्ट लिखा, वो चितले का खमण मिक्स है क्या आपके पास?
अरे it's going on.
Bhaiya on the dance floor. Bhaiya likes to party. Bhaiya likes to move the sexy bhaiya.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
हे आयु, हे आयु, लंबी हो तेरी आयु। हे आयु, हे आयु, अच्छी नहीं चल रही अब वायु, पर तू कर न फिकर, तू जाना मत डर। आयुषी, आयुषी, जब संग हो तेरे राजू और सुशी, देंगे तुझे वो ढेर खुशी। सो रहना तू कूल और जाना मत भूल, आ गया है जो तेरा सैया, और दूर जो बैठा तेरा भैया, कर देंगे दिन बहुत ही बढ़िया। दूर करने तुम्हारा ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आओ मिलकर करिए वर्चुअल सेलिब्रेशन। क्या लग रहा है ये बोरिंग ये रैप? चलो कर देते हैं इसे यही रैप। आयुषी, आयुषी, वी लव यू आयुषी।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, are you? Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday,
Ayumashi.
hello, Bobby.
We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ayushi Masi.
Happy birthday, Ayushi.
Happy 25th. This is a very special year for you. Lots of changes from Miss to Mrs. and a lot of other things ahead. All the best. Have a lovely year ahead. We love you. We love you.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
How are you? Hope you are fine. Finally, the long awaited day has come. It's a day for celebration, but due to lockdown, we cannot meet and celebrate this day. So, congratulations on the silver jubilee of your life. May God bless you with lots of love, happiness, good health, success, and all best things. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hi Masi, many happy returns of the day. Hope all your dreams come true. Enjoy your day.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Ayushi, happy 25th birthday. Have a great day and an amazing year. We'll celebrate once we're all back.
Hi Ayushi, many happy returns of the day in advance. Today is a very important day of your life.
Happy
Mainly
birthday,
because,
that's all.
mainly because this is the last time you'll be celebrating birthday with your parents all alone. From the next time you'll be celebrating with your husband. And it's very
After you
unlikely
finish
that
your birthday,
you'll
you'll
get a
be
chance to
18
celebrate
years old.
birthday with your parents all alone. So take advantage of this time, stay with your family and have a good time.
Hey Ayushi, a very happy 25th birthday, and now you are all settled, you have finished your studies, you have got a job and you have got a life partner also, so congratulations and make the best of this time. This is the best phase of your life and I just want to wish you all the good luck and stay cool as always. Bye, take care and a very happy birthday once again.
Parth, you want to say something?
Happy birthday, that's all.
Happy birthday Ayushi.
He said happy birthday, that's all. Okay, take care, bye.
Hi Ayushi, happy 25th birthday.
Happy 25th birthday.
We are also wishing you have a great 25th birthday. This is your last single birthday, so enjoy it to the maximum, and have a great day at home. Unfortunately, but have a great day with family and happy birthday. God bless you.
Hope you are doing well. It's difficult for us to meet in this lockdown situation. Here I am wishing you many happy returns of the day on your special 25th birthday. May the new quarter of your life brings hope, happiness, health and success as the first one. Also I am wishing you congratulations as well as giving you best wishes as you are moving to your next inning of life. Best of luck again and happy birthday. Jai Shri Krishna to Badavane. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday. Wishing you a very delightful and blessed years ahead. I wish we could meet this time on your 25th birthday, on your Silver Jubilee birthday. But it's okay. May God shower all His happiness and love, care to you. And you know you are a gem of a person. You are genuinely a sweet person. Be like whatever you are. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe. Jessica.
For here is your special birthday wish. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Jai Shri Krishna. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ayush. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
Birthday Ayupoy. Sanehi has a message for you.
Eat lots of happy birthday, Ayufoy. Eat lots of chocolates on your birthday. Save some for me too.
It's a special birthday. If everything goes per plan, this could be your last birthday as a single girl. And you're so fortunate that you get to spend almost entirely and exclusively with your parents. So,
Make the most out of it.
happy
Birthday!
Hello Didi, this is Neil. Happy birthday. And well, 25. It's pretty big. It's like a quarter of a century, so yeah, that's pretty huge. And well, I hope you have a great day ahead of you. Yeah, I know we're under quarantine and stuff, but don't let that stop you. And well, you know, there's all sorts of fun stuff you can do sitting right at home. And if you're into quieter things, there's always like Netflix. Yeah. So I mean, yeah, and I hope we can catch up once this whole virus thing blows over. So yeah, see you.
Happy birthday, Ayushi.
Happy birthday Ayushi babe.
Happy birthday, Ayushi.
Hi Ayushi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ayu. You're ahead, growing older, growing wiser, getting married. Have a lovely day. Bake yourself a microwave cake. Pretend you're on the beach somewhere. It's a lovely sunny day. Found this filter on Instagram and I think I'm going to use it much. Have an amazing day, an amazing year. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ayu. Happy 25th. Here's to you not being the little one amongst us anymore. I know this is probably not what you had in mind, so I'm hoping you bake yourself a great cake at home, and I promise I'll bake you one as soon as we meet. You have a lot of new adventures, new stuff coming your way, so I hope it all goes great for you. And
and can't wait to see you. It's been a while. So happy birthday and much love.
Happy birthday, Ayu Didi. We think that this birthday for you is really special for two reasons.
One, because you're spending this in part of a pandemic, and two, because it's your last birthday as Miss Ayushi Shah.
Kudos to you.
It's gonna be Mrs.
Yeah.
Well, Dee, thank you so much for being the loving sister that you've always been. I think you're my truest friend from like childhood, and I hope this continues forever.
May I emphasize on that, only friend.
Shut up.
Okay. Like growing up, like we never really spent, like we spent a lot of time, but like I always looked up to you. I used to spend a lot of time with Ankit Bhaiya, but like
In the shower.
But like lately, past 2-3 years, we've been really close, and like I treat you like another, like my own sister, and I'm so glad that I can share so many things with you that I can't with her.
Ouch!
But yeah, we love you, Didi.
Have a great day.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ayushi. Happy birthday to you. Yay! One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Didi. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Happy 25th birthday, Ayu Bibi.
Happy what?
25th.
Happy
That's a lot of
25th
years.
birthday.
I heard 55th.
55th. She is that old. We just don't tell anybody. She's actually much older than that.
Yeah, she just looks young.
Yeah.
She drinks blood. That's how.
Does she drink blood?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ayu. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! We successfully completed the first quarter of the century.
And the remaining 3/4 of mine.
You mean she and I? Anyway, have a great year ahead, and we hope to celebrate with you as soon as this lockdown ends.
Very happy birthday, Ayushi, and I can't wait to take you out for dinner after this.
Bye.
Hi, Ayushi. You know, what is the common thing between father and daughter? Both love their gudiya.
Hi Ayushi, my Aloo Batatu, wishing you a very happy birthday. This is a very special birthday, as you would be not leaving our house, but there is going to be a difference. But our love for you will never go away.
My wishes are always with you on your birthday and all throughout your life. Feel free to talk to me or mom anytime from anywhere, wherever you need any help or any guidance. We are always for you. Love you so much. I am sure that like any other father, I am also not so expressive so that I can express my feelings about you. But certainly I love you so much, and this video will be too short for me to express. If I am able to express love for you, wish you a very happy birthday. Love you.
Maybe even though it's a quarantine, I hope you really have a good time. Hope you make this best. Love you, baby.
Hi, Anku.
Hi to you.
Do you know why we're here?
I don't know.
To celebrate Ivy's birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ayu.
Happy birthday Happy birthday, Ayu baby.
We wish we could have been there on your special day, but we'll make sure we go partying when we see you next.
Yes, we missed your quarter life crisis, but we'll definitely be there for your midlife crisis.
And you've come like a really, really long way from being like an annoying kid to now an annoying adult.
Yeah. So I know this wasn't what you had in mind for your big 25, but I hope this video made it like a teeny bit special. We tried our best. Hope you enjoyed it.
I know. And no matter how old you get, you'll always be like our little baby sister. We wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
We miss you. Now we're gonna show you
The real reason why we actually made this video is somewhere, but
Watch.
you'll see. Bye.
Okay, start.
When I say bachi, you say
Buddy.
when I say ho,
You say guy,
bachi,
buddy,
ho,
guy,
bachi,
buddy,
ho,
guy,
bachi,
buddy,
ho,
guy,
bachi, buddy, ho, guy, bachi, buddy, ho, guy, bachi, buddy, ho.
Butchie buddy, oh God, Butchie buddy, oh God, Butchie buddy, oh God. Happy birthday, Butchie buddy, Butchie buddy, oh God.